It's your money that you're putting into your website. You devote time and effort to it, as well as some financial resources. So, if you're in desperate need of cash, you can sell your website and generate money quickly. Flipping is a concept that applies not only to the internet but also to other businesses. Flipping is derived from the term flippers, which refers to stock market traders who buy and sell only for a short period of time in order to make quick money. Flipping is currently gaining popularity as a technique to make quick money online. Here are some of the things you should know about flipping to make fast money. The concept of website flipping is broad. You have a variety of alternatives about how to proceed. You can buy a website to keep or sell it again, in addition to simply selling your blog or website. It's a bit hazardous to start flipping blogs or websites. It necessitates a significant initial expenditure. Regardless, all of the blog flipping choices are designed to make you money quickly. Let's take a closer look at the first choice. Even with the possibility of gaining quick money, selling websites may not be a common alternative for many webmasters. It is assumed that after developing a website, caring for it, and watching it flourish, its proprietors will get emotionally attached to it. If, on the other hand, the website is performing really well, the thought of selling it becomes even more appealing. You may wish to keep your site, but think about the benefits of selling it. Keep in mind that the better your site performs, the more valuable it is. You can make a lot of money by selling your website, and it will always be fast money. Furthermore, selling allows you to begin a new endeavor. So, if you're thinking of selling your website, here's how to go about it. To begin, you must establish how much money your site generates. Even if the customer decides how much the site is worth to him in the end, having a reasonable amount to work with will ensure you receive your money's worth. Compile information about your site to give to the buyer once you have a projected price. This should include visitor numbers, site earnings, the site's history, the rationale for selling it, and the benefits the site has provided you as the owner that you are now passing on to the buyer. Those are the things that matter, so make sure you verify the performance of your site before selling. Before you sell it, see if there's anything further you can do to improve it so you can get more money out of it. After all, you're not simply seeking for quick cash, the amount is equally important. Let's have a look at the other side of the coin. You can buy and sell websites if you can sell yours. You have two choices when it comes to purchasing sites. You can acquire a website with the sole aim of reselling it for a greater price, or you can buy a website with the intention of improving and maintaining it. There is no need to start from scratch with the former. All you have to do now is update the website a little and try to boost its worth so you can sell it for much more than you paid for it when you first got it. The key is to look for places that have potential but aren't adequately managed. The owners of these sites are more than likely to sell, and you'll get a good deal. On the other hand, if you want to buy a website and keep it, you should opt for one that is operating well. It must also work in conjunction with any other websites or internet businesses you may have. People acquire and keep websites for a variety of reasons, one of which is to advertise and expand their reach for an existing business. There are a lot of ways to generate money online, but only a few of them can help you make money quickly. If you own a website, keep in mind that selling it is always a possibility. Thank you for watching this video.